as requested, here's the video all about changing the
pollen filter.
I basically remove the glove box, 2 little tabs on each side, one. There was a 2, but there we go, nice and out.
You can't use that clip.
Why can't we?
Because you're doing your phone all around.
That'd be fun. So then we've got this plastic cowling here, just some screws, just need coming off. And then that should come out of the way, and then you should be able to access the filter down here. So let's get on with it.
Echoes of engines, they drown the ache. A life in pieces, but I still create. Pistons pumping like a beating heart.
Just like that, nice and steady. It should pull out with ease. Yes, that's on. Got it. So as you can see behind here, there's a little cover here with some screws in it, hopefully, and that should just pop out and slide out your filter. So let's have an actual proper look. So as you can see, there's a little clip at the bottom, so you just lift that up and that pops out, and then there's a little clip at the top and that should just come out. Be nice and gentle with it. If it's an old one, it'll be brittle, but this looks like it's been replaced because somebody's already broke it once, which wasn't me. And then your filter, if you can get your fingers onto it, should just pull out and be really, really manked up like that. Oh, essence of ball sack, I think. Oh, look at that. That is definitely not going back in. Has it got a number?
It's got an up.
That's helpful.
No numbers.
Okay, that's not helpful. What's up?
Look at the fuse for the horn.
Okay. As you can see, the cover's off. And when you get the new filter, slide that back in and put everything back in place. Yeah! Now let's just leave it and leave him to it, because it's not our problem.
They never talk back, but they shine when I patch the cracks.
Yeah, make sure you got a replacement. If you can't find one that's a Serena, just measure it, and they're all pretty much the same.
It looks like it's a standard one, doesn't it? It's like a paper filter,
Okay.
so you might have to upgrade it as well if you've just got an R one.
Yeah.
See what's out there.
So, as you saw us take it out, put it all back, like it is. Some of the filters say up, so obviously you need to put that up. And just take your time sliding it back in. And then when you hear the audible click, she's in.
Click!
Click!
Clickety click!
Clickety click! Everything sticks.
Fix the broken, heal the scars.
just be careful of this. That needs to go into the recess, and there's like a little clip that pushes into it, and then it makes your glove box actually slow release and open.
Rust and solace, this barrage my home.
Fit it in properly, so it goes down properly, or is it going all scoobity-goobity now?
It's fitting properly. I think it's just skibbity scoop. There we go. All sorted.
So there we have it, the C25, the pollen filter inside, underneath the dashboard, inside.
Yeah, quite a straightforward job. Hopefully it's quite an easy video to follow.
If you don't have the measurements inside there, you can just measure the old filters. If you can't find them, they are being an import, quite hard to get hold of parts and stuff like that. So it looked like just a standard paper air filter.
Yeah,
Pollen filter, so
just standard. I bet it will cross onto another Nissan or a Mitsubishi or something like that anyway. They won't make a special pollen filter for this vehicle. So yeah, I bet there's loads out there.
So just to show, we do read the comments. We had a comment posted asking about the pollen filter and where it was. So we've done the video to help advise and help you out.
Yeah. Bring on the next one. Leave another comment if there's another video you want on the car we've already got. Watch the next video. This one that's going to be on Matt's face. Enjoy.
So we've just done the pollen filter in the Serena C25. Went quite easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
No, you can't say that anymore.
I know.
You can't say that anymore.